This is a 2025 Micro LITE by FLAGSTAFF. It's a 25 FBLS. It weighs 5,700 pounds. GVWR is about 7,800 pounds. It's got 2 slides on it. It's got frameless windows. There's a little storage compartment there. It does have power jacks on it. Spare, little hitch on the back. Water. Outside shower there. A griddle will hang out here. Tanked 6-gallon gas electric water heater. There's the griddle that hangs out here. Very large storage. Does have a power inverter on it. 1,800 watts. Room for 2 batteries on it. Does have a nice shower inside. Porcelain toilet. Good linen storage closet. Does have a nice vent in the bathroom also. Does have a nice pantry, or you can use it as a hanging closet. 32-inch TV. Theater seat is across from the TV. 12-volt refrigerator. It has the freezer on the bottom. Nice comfortable theater seat. Does have this extra counter flip up. Ducted AC, 15K BTU, double ducts, so you're going to get plenty of air out the air conditioner. Does have wardrobe, slide out, and it does have drawers up underneath the bed. Full queen residential, 60 by 80. Nice power vent. TV's already in the bedroom. Little drawer extra there. Come see it. Quality RV Sales and Service. Nacogdoches.